Okay, so let's start with the first topic, first data structure that we are going to discuss, and that is array. Okay, so I would say array is the data structure whenever you apply it to some company, at least I would say two to three, 3 to 4 questions they are going to ask you on array only. So array is one of the most important, yes. Okay, so I hope you would be able to understand, and I would say it is quite easy also. Okay, so we will start with the array. So, what an array means? So, basically, array is a group of similar elements, and these elements are stored in contiguous manner in the memory. What that means? Okay, so let's say you want to store some data of some, let's say you want to store data of 100 students. Okay, so you can create an array of size 100, and you can store all the students information in that array, and that information will be stored in contiguous manner. So when we talk about the programming language like Java, C++, C, so all these language for zero-based indexing means when you initialize an array, so this is how your array would look. Suppose you are creating an array of size 10, so this is how your array will look in the memory, starting from 0 index up to 9 index, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Now store multiple elements of same type together. So basically we can store elements of same type in this array, right? Now this is how your array looks. Now what are the advantages of creating array or using array? So the main advantage of array is, okay, it allows you to randomly access the elements. So you can get, suppose in case you want to get an element at index 8, you can directly access this index without iterating this array. So that would take your constant space, constant time complexity, right? So array allows random access to elements. This makes accessing elements by position faster. Array represents multiple data items of same type using a single name. So array would have some name. When we uh, declare some array, we give it a name. So that name will be used to access all the elements of that array, right? Now we know advantage of array. Okay, we can access any element, random access basically, right, with the help of index. Now what are the disadvantages of using array? So if here you see at the declaration time we are giving size of array. So in case you want to extend this array, now suppose you declared an array of size 10, and you stored some elements in it. Suppose 10 elements you stored, now you want to add two more elements to it. So you can't change the size of array. Okay, so size would remain fixed. That's the only disadvantage of using arrays. Okay, so array size remains fixed and cannot be changed based upon the requirements.